Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door Avilash, and in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that the current market price is 150.49. Okay, and as we all know, market was in beautiful uptrend till last week. Okay, and right now market is trading below the 50 moving average, which is not a good news. Okay, market, almost all the currency pairs, major currency pairs are flat right now. They are not showing any movement. Okay, so let's look at GBP JPY. So we can see that I have not mentioned any resistance and any support for the market, because the support, the only support and the valid support that was for the market was 50 moving average, and right now it is trading below the 50 moving average, and things are not very clear to us right now. We can see that market is in oversold zone. Okay, trading below the moving average, but looks like that market will fall, but we cannot be too sure. So what should we do then? We should not short the market right away, because overall the trend of the market was towards the upside. Okay, therefore my only suggestion here would be wait, wait for the clear picture. Okay, we just need to wait for at least one day, until and unless we get a clear picture, because if you initiate a trade here, buy here or short the market here, that will be like a gamble. Okay, so waiting for the perfect position is also taking a position. Okay, in, because you're not losing money. Okay, you're staying with the discipline. That is very important. So be a disciplined trader and wait for the market to give you a clear picture. Okay, therefore just wait and wait for the market. That's it, nothing much to do here. Okay, the picture is not clear because market is trading below the support. Therefore let's wait for one day, and I'll come back tomorrow again and I'll tell you if we get any picture here. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen for 23rd March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And thank you so much, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good luck. See you tomorrow.